Hello students, once again I welcome you to this tutorial video of class 3. Today we are going to discuss about paint. Name of this chapter is Fun with Paint. So MS Paint is a software which is used for drawing and coloring. It comes with MS Windows. If you are using Windows 7, Windows 8, even Windows 10 or Windows XP, so you will get MS Paint with your Windows operating system. So MS Paint is a program used for drawing and coloring. Now we will discuss the use of some tools. In the tools group, some tools are there like pencil tool, fill with color tool, text tool, eraser tool, then color picker tool and magnifier tool. These 6 tools are present in the tools group. So first we will discuss about pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to draw free form lines. Eraser tool, it is used to erase your mistakes. You can use it to erase the unwanted part of your drawing. Fill with color tool is used to fill color in your drawing. Then text tool, it is a very important tool in the tools group. The text tool is used to add text in the drawing or in the drawing area. If you want to add some text, if you want to write something in your drawing or in the drawing area, you need to use text tool. How you can use this tool? First, you click text tool to select it and click the place where you want to type. After clicking, you can see there is a text box, then you can start typing. So in this way you can add text in the drawing area or in any drawing. Now color picker tool. Color picker tool is used to pick a color or select a color from a drawing what you have already drawn and color, and you can use that color into any other drawing. Again I repeat, color picker tool is used to pick a color from your drawing and you can use it to any other drawing. How to do? First you need to click the color picker tool in the tools group, then pick the color by clicking from the drawing where you want to pick the color from where, then click the place where you want to apply that color. Again I repeat, step number 1, click color picker tool. Step number 2, click the color from where you want to pick that color. And the third step is click the place or click the drawing where you want to apply that color. This way you can use color picker tool. Now we will see the use of some shapes from the shapes group. In the shapes group, many shapes are there like rectangular shape, oval shape, then star, triangle. Okay, so rectangular shape is used to draw rectangular forms or square. If you want to draw a rectangle or a square, you can use rectangular shape or rectangle shape. Now if you want to draw a circle or an oval, you have to use oval tool in the shapes group. So many shapes are there. If you want to draw those shapes, you can click to select that shape and drag the mouse on the drawing area to draw that. Among these shapes, there are 3 shapes which are called call out shapes. 3 shapes are called call out shapes. Which are those 3 shapes? Number 1, rounded rectangular call out, oval call out and cloud call out. Again I repeat, there are 3 call out shapes present in the shapes group. First is rounded rectangular call out, second oval call out, and third is cloud call out. You must have seen in the comic book, dialogues are displayed in this type of call out steps. Okay, now next we will see how can you modify your drawing. Modify means edit. Okay, after drawing your object, if you want to make any type of changes, that is called editing. Suppose yesterday suppose yesterday you have saved a file and today you want to make some changes in that, so that is called editing. Okay, so what type of editing you can do? You can change its size by reducing or by increasing. You can add some text. You can delete some part of your drawing. So this type of work if you do, this is called editing or modifying your drawing. Okay, now which are the things you can do? As I told, you can use cut paste, means changing the place of your drawing. How to do? For that you need to select your drawing by using select tool. There are two selection tools are present in Paint. First is rectangular selection tool. It is used to select a drawing in rectangular form. Another is free form selection tool. You can use this tool to select an irregular part of your drawing. So there are two selection tools present in the Paint. You can use it to select. As I told, now we were discussing about how to use cut paste or copy paste. So if you want to cut paste, so first you need to select your drawing by using one of the selection tools, then click cut option in the clipboard group and click paste in the clipboard group only. You can see your drawing is pasted at the top left corner. Now you can drag your drawing to position in any of the place in the drawing area. Now you can do copy paste also. Copy paste option is used to make a duplicate copy of your drawing. How to use? Select your drawing again by one of the selection tools. So after selection you can use copy option. Click copy option in the clipboard group and click paste in the clipboard group only. Again you will see another copy of your drawing is pasted at the top left corner. You can drag and change its position. Okay, this way you can use cut paste and copy paste option. Now we will see how to flip your drawing. Flipping means turning or rotating the picture. Okay, after selection. If you want to flip or rotate your picture, first you have to select the drawing. Okay, so again I repeat, flipping means turning or rotating a selected picture. Okay, flipping means turning or rotating. Now how to do that? Select the picture, then click the rotate option. There are two flipping options are there in that group. Either vertical flipping option is there or flip your drawing in the horizontal form. So there are two flipping options are there, horizontal and vertical. So you can use it. After selecting the drawing, you can click the rotate button. When you click rotate button, you can see there are four options. Rotate your drawing to the right side 90 degree, to the left side 90 degree, flip horizontally or flip vertically. Okay, so these options are there for flipping or rotating. So you can use one of these options. So this way you can use flipping or rotating. Now resizing means changing its size by increasing or decreasing. Skewing means little bit tilting the picture. You have to define a particular degree in the skew box. For example, you can skew it in 90 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, any of the number you have to write there and click OK button. Of course, you have to select your drawing at first. Any sort of editing if you want to do, the first step is always select your drawing. If you are not selecting your drawing, you cannot do any type of editing. So children, please remember, if you want to do any type of editing, so before that you need to select your drawing. If you want to do copy paste, cut paste, flipping, skewing, resizing, so first you have to select. So select your drawing, then you can do whatever you want to do as editing. Now zooming the picture. Zooming the picture means to see your drawing in the larger view or in the smaller view on the screen. Okay. Now, how can you save your drawing? Saving option is same in all the programs of Microsoft like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, WordPad, Notepad. Just you need to click the paint button here. Of course, in other software you can find file tab, but here you have to click paint button at the top left corner. From after that, second step, you have to click on the save button, save option or save as. Then you have to type a file name in the file name text box and click save option. We have done already in the online classes, during online classes. In how many formats you can save your drawing? Many formats are there like BMP, bitmap, JPEG, then GIF, TIFF, PNG, etc. So again, let us take a quick recap of this chapter. What is Paint? Paint is a graphic program used to draw pictures with different colors. We can use Paint to view and edit the scanned pictures also. There are two selection tools are present in Paint. One of them is rectangular selection tool, another is free form selection tools. Zooming means to increase the view size or decrease the view size of an object. Shortcut keys for creating a file, saving a file and opening an old file already are there in the chapter. Let me tell you, if you want to create a new file in MS Paint, so you need to press Ctrl+N. CTRL you can find on the keyboard, that is called control key. So Ctrl+N, if you press together, you can create a new file in Paint. Similarly, you can press Ctrl+S key to save your drawing. Okay, Ctrl+O is used to open an existing file. Existing means the file which you have already saved in your computer. Okay, so these are some shortcut keys you can use to do some operations in MS Paint. Alt+F4 key, this is another shortcut key combination. Alt+F4 key is used to close the Paint program. It is a shortcut key to close a program. If you are using Alt+F4 key, then you can close your program, Paint program. So that's all for this video. I hope it will help you. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Stay safe. Goodbye.